camera away from me. Stop recording me.
Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel.
Good morning, guys. It's currently 6 o'clock a.m. and nagpe-prepare na ako for school because my first class today is around 7:30. So let's prepare my breakfast. So it's gonna be a busy week kasi I'm currently competing in a pageant right now, tapos halos araw-araw yung may event, so I have to go back and forth to Manila from here. Okay, so while I eat my breakfast, mag-isa din ang magamit ko kasi wala pa akong outfit and then I have to fix my bag. And so, nakapag-list ako right now. This is the fit. I'll just do a 2-step skincare today. Toothing gel. Ayun yung roller thing. Para lang hindi super puffy yung face ko. Here, I use this one. Under eyes. And then, no. Hindi ko masyadong like roll or dinidiin ng sobra sa my forehead kasi nagbe-breakout ako. Breakout season. Let's use this sunscreen from Jewel Skin. I really love this powder. Pressed powder from Dr. Sensitive. Talagang nabablur na yung oiliness and yung mga acne scars. Just nice. I'm using this Intuit blush. Hindi siya nag-focus pero alam niyo na yun, guys. Morning, guys! I'm on my way to school. Hindi ko na tinitingnan yung oras. Kasi malapit naman ako. It's actually like a 3-minute walk from my unit. So, let's go. Ay, my first class is Shakespeare. I made it on time. I was rushing. Say hi to Dane. This is our first class. Hi, guys.
Gifts.
Okay lang.
Actually, yung gifts, yung money falls under gifts. And then the last one is touch. Sino yung touch dito? Oh, okay. Interesting. Thank you so much. So it's good to know your love language. Especially this coming Valentine's Day, right? Anyway.
Hi guys, we just finished our first class. We're on our way to our second class. Say hi. On our way to our second class. I have no class. What? Wala kang class? So, our second class is also here lang sa 5th floor. So, we're gonna go there. Say hi. Say hi to my audience. This is August.
Hello.
August. What? Depends on what kind of available. Kasi he has a type. This one also, this guy. This is Earl, guys. Say hi.
Welcome back to the video.
Ooh.
I'm not available.
Yeah!
Welcome back to another channel. We're invading Fiona's Hey, ano YouTube?
Hello, YouTube.
Hey, what's up, bro?
I'm shy. Get the camera away from me. Stop recording me.
Every month is decreasing. Say hi to Fiona's vlog.
Hi, Fiona.
Hi. This guy is available for Feb 14, so if you want to hit him up, you can hit him up at Off the Saints. Do something stupid. Yeah. So guys, right. Play against the light.
Hello, I think this will be straightforward. And so the water used for baptism would signify that there is the true cleansing, because water is usually used to wash away dirt, something dirty. Here, so that's why this is the first effect of baptism. It washes away original sin, because the original sin is the converted of sin committed by.
Dalawa atin na. Okay, so we're here nga sa Siam ngayon kasi magpapawax kami. Yes. We have here our break naman. So this is our bonding. Yes. So we're having lunch here sa Monchi. Currently 12:30, 1 hour before our next class. I got soy garlic chicken. Hi everyone! It's currently 1:40. We're about to start our STS class. These are my groupmates. So yata kami ng experiment.
Welcome to Ateneo.
No!
This car is real.
Disclaimer mali. New app. Loyal new app. He's the guest, sir.
Yeah. So you have the question for ID? Yes. Alam ko sa mga wala yan, ha?
I'll show you guys later kung anong gagawin. So right now, we're doing an activity. It's water. Yeah, dapat hindi matakot. Ice, baby. Ice, baby. This is Gab, my good friend. DJ siya, guys. So, if pandito kayo sa Manila, ay, halabaw, charot, promote your gig.
By my soap, Dr. Gachi, you can see Kuminis ako. Dr. Gachi, IG, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok.
Promote ko, Thirsty Barbers.
Yeah. Tingnan mo yung profile picture ni Ma'am Fiona. Ang ganda, di ba? Ano kayo? Perfect!
Hi guys, I'm in my accounting class. So it's kind of strict, so got lost. Yes. Meet MC.
so safe.